Hello everyone. This is a tutorial on how to set up your UploadCam theme using Microsoft. So the first thing you need to do is to go to our admin portal. The link is in the video description, or you can access it from our main web page. And then you can click here in login with Microsoft. So when you do that, you will be prompted to give permission to the app. So I had already done that, so therefore it sends me directly here, but prior to this you'll have to grant permissions on the previous screen. Then you can give a name to your team. So here I'm just gonna call it demo company, and select an industry. So I choose one, and then I go to the next step. Now the next step is to choose a folder in OneDrive that is going to serve as the root folder where all the rest of the folders that you create with UploadCam will be stored. So for this, we by default create just an UploadCam folder in your personal drive. However, if you're a company, we strongly recommend to pick a SharePoint where you're going to have, or a folder within a SharePoint where you're going to have your UploadCam folders being created. So for that, you can use this link here that says pick a custom folder. You do that, and then it should list like your personal drive and SharePoint drives. So I'm going to go ahead and open SharePoint drives, and then I have all my shared drives here. I'm going to use this all company. I'm going to navigate inside, and I'm going to call this one. I'm going to create a new folder called UploadCam demo company, for example. So I'm going to create that. It's going to create that folder, and then this is going to be an empty folder. I'm going to select that. So this will become again the root folder for the rest of the folders that you create in UploadCam. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a team. Actually, if I open it here, I can actually go and see exactly where it's going to be created. Okay, so if I have all my sites here, actually here the SharePoint, and have all the SharePoints I have, I'm gonna navigate inside of all company, and then documents, and this is the one that I had just created, UploadCam demo company, and this is going to be where all my folders and photos will end up. So after we do that, then I can create the team, and that will allow me to then start inviting my teammates. So here's the main page for the team. I can go ahead and start inviting users, okay, right from this window. And then after I add a few of my colleagues, then what I can do is go to the folders tab, and here's where you're gonna create the folders. So I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm gonna call this, for example, project 123. Okay, and then I'm going to see who I'm gonna be assigning it to. In my team right now, it's only me, but here you have the list of people that you have added to your team. So once you select who is going to have access to this folder, you can create a folder, and then this folder is going to be accessible from the mobile app, so your users or the people that have been assigned can access it and upload the photos too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in now on the mobile app. So I'm gonna choose Microsoft OneDrive. I click login. I have to choose team company provided, right? Because I logged in with a team account or with a Microsoft Office 365 account, and not just with a personal account. So team, and then I have to grant permissions for the app to access my files. I had already done that here as well. So here the screen may look a bit different, so I just have to continue. And then it will show me first the settings of the app, but then if I go to the home screen, I can either choose a folder in my personal OneDrive, or the folders that I have been assigned to, this project 123 that we had assigned here. So if I create a new folder over here, and I'm gonna call this one, for example, project XYZ, then that folder, because I'm assigned to it, it'll immediately show up here. And I can already start taking photos that will end up here. So if I tap the plus button here, it'll send me to the camera. Because it's a simulator, there's like just a black screen, but if I take a photo, it will generate a random image, a random color image. And I'm gonna take a couple photos. I'm gonna go back to the upload screen. They already uploaded very quickly. So then if I go to this, I think I had selected project XYZ, correct? So in project XYZ, if I do view activity, then the two photos that I uploaded are here. And I can of course go and click here, and then that will send me to the specific place in my SharePoint where those photos are stored. Okay, so here I can see the two photos. If I take a new one, then this one should show up pretty quickly here. Maybe I need to simply refresh, and then yeah, the third photo, it is right there. Okay, so this is the way you would set up here folders, and you will create folders here and assign them to the people that you want to give access to, so they can upload from here. Now, if I go back here, I click on this button and then I go to the home screen, right? You see that I have the My Drive option and the Team option. One thing you can do to limit the options to your users, to your staff, is to remove this My Drive option, which sometimes you want them to choose where to save the photos, or sometimes you want only the folders that you have been assigned to, or that you assign to them. So you can go to the settings screen, and then you can turn off this option, allow users to upload to their personal drive. So if you turn this off, next time the users open the app, this My Drive option will be gone. So let me just show you that. Okay, so if I go, I'm sorry, if I go and tap here and I launch UploadCam again, then that option, the My Drive option, is gone. So only the folders that have been assigned to them from this screen will show up here. So that will make it easier for them to pick what folder they should be uploading to. Sometimes you only want a single folder per user, so then you can just assign one folder to that user. So hopefully this gives you an idea on how to use the app, how to set up your team. I'll be happy to provide more details. If you need to, you can contact us on our support email, and even if you have questions, we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much.